A lot of teachers have used Smart Notebook for lessons in the classroom. Now that we have iPads, we can still use Smart Notebook with our iPad to either project to our screen or to use for virtual learning. So today I'm going to show you where to find the Notebook app as well as how to use files that you have already created. So the first thing you will need to do is go to the self-service app, and you are going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and there are two options for Smart Notebook. You want to choose Smart Notebook for iPad. The Smart Notebook player does not work. So choose Smart Notebook for iPad and it will show up on your home screen. Now there are two ways to get your notebook files into Smart Notebook. The first way is to connect your Google account in the Smart Notebook app. Mine's already connected, so I won't be able to show you that. And you would find your notebook that you wanted to use and you would download it that way. The second way, which I think is a little bit easier, is to use your Google Drive app on your iPad, which means you will have to put the notebook files you want to use in a folder on Google Drive, and you will find the notebook you want to add, and it's going to say unsupported file type. You are going to click the three dots in the top right-hand corner and select Open In. Once it is done being prepared, it'll come up with the following screen, and there are all these options where you can open up Smart Notebook. I don't think all of them will work, but you will want to look for Copy to Notebook, and it will open your notebook up in the Notebook app. Now, the only bummer thing about the Notebook app is your screen has to look like it does right now. You cannot make a presenting mode that makes it the full screen. You will always have the slides on the side, but as far as the tools, you can write directly on it using your Logitech crayon or your Apple Pencil. If you want to highlight text, you can change the color by clicking it again, or the size. You can add shapes. You can add arrows if you wanted to put lines or arrows. You can add more screens if you need another screen. Everything runs similar to how it would run on your smartboard. Now you could use the Smart Notebook app, like I said, in class if you want to use your iPad and project it to your screen, or you can use it to record lessons for virtual teaching.